Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Today we are doing a hop and giveaway featuring our brand new stamp of the month, Life's Batter with Pancakes. It's a really fun stamp set. It features a big stack of pancakes. We've got blueberries and strawberries on top, some melted butter and some syrup. We've got sentiments, sorry you feel like crepe, you're my butter half, I flippin' love you, no one stacks up to you, life's batter with pancakes, have a great day, and good morning sunshine. The stamp is so versatile. You can create a get well card with the sentiment, sorry you feel like crepe. You can create a card for your loved one, telling them you love them, or you're my better half, and send a card to someone and tell them that they're great, no one stacks up to you, just a good morning sunshine, just a really great set, and have a great day. It can be for anything. There is a coordinating die when you sign up for the Stamp and Die of the Month Club. To sign up for the club, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you can choose monthly for your frequency. That'll get you 18% off and a new stamp and die delivered to your door every 30 days. It's a really fun club. You can cancel anytime as long as it's 10 days before your next shipment. More information about the subscriptions will be in the description box for you. You can head on over there and read more about each subscription, and from there you can click the sign up button and that will take you to the listing. We have the paper pad club this month that coordinates with the stamp very nicely. This is called Breakfast Time and it's super cute. Breakfast Time, which features all these cute little breakfast images. Look how adorable that is with the coffee cup and the muffins, bacon and eggs. This is just a really, really cute paper pad. And then we have a beautiful paper pad called Glorious Blooms. And this one has some cutouts in it so you can create your own ephemera. The colors in here are really, really stunning. The Breakfast Time has coordinating ephemera, so you can add on ephemera to your paper pad club. There's a drop-down menu asking you if you want to add ephemera or not. Every month you'll get one pack of ephemera that's going to match one of the paper pads in the club. And what's really great is that the other paper pad will have some images inside that you can cut out. Here's two examples of cards that I did with this month's paper pads. So we have Glorious Blooms, and then I cut out the images from the paper pad and added them to the front of my card. And then for this one, I used the coordinating ephemera. Super fun cards. So today we'll create a card with our stamp and die of the month. I'm going to color up the pancakes off camera. I'm going to have the coloring for the pancakes on my YouTube members page. So if you want to unlock exclusive content, you can click the join button down below. I'm taking this really pretty green, it's like a green blue color, to frame my image. See if I could get that on there straight. Okay, I think that is super fun, but you know what? We're gonna step it up a notch, put some crystal glaze on there on that syrup and make it look shiny. I think that would be really fun for this card. Okay, so there it is with the shine. I think that looks really special. So I hope you guys enjoy the hop. Use the hashtag. I'll have it on the screen for you. It's also in the description bar. It's also in the description box. You can click that. It'll bring up all the videos in this hop. I'll also have a lineup in the description box that you can click to each video. Come back and use the Rafflecopter link that's in the description box to enter into the giveaway. And one person's gonna win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. So I can't wait to see who wins. Good luck and thanks for hopping. Check out the store, check out the stamp and die of the month. And if I don't have a chance to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to you, I want to say that now. I will be doing another video most likely before, but in case you're not watching, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. Thank you guys, and thanks for supporting the shop this year. It really means a lot that you shop at my store. I really appreciate you. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.